दिगंबर कामत आनी मायकल लोबो आड काँग्रेसीन दाखल केल्ल्या याचिकेचेर 23 मार्चाक सुनावणी जातली. शुक्रारा सभापती रमेश तवडकर हांच्या सामकार काँग्रेसीचे अध्यक्ष अमित पाटकार हाणें दाखल केल्ल्या ह्या याचिकेचेर सुनावणी जाली. ह्या वेळार खंयच्याच पार्टीचो अध्यक्ष याचिका दाखल करूंक शकना असो युक्तिवाद कामत आनी लोबो हांच्या आदोगादान केल्लो. आतां हे विशींची फुडली सुनावणी 23 मार्चाक सांजेच्या 5 वरांचेर सभापती सामकार जातली. जाल्यार काँग्रेसीचे आदले अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकर हाणें 8 आमदारांचेर मुंबय उच्च न्यायालयाच्या गोंय खंडपीठान दाखल केल्ल्या अपात्रता याचिकेचेर 24 मार्चाक सुनावणी जातली.
They are saying as a party president I can't file the petition. So on that arguments are going on. Arguments went on for a pretty long time. The speaker has adjourned the matter on 23rd. The arguments will again continue on the objection what they have raised. I am hopeful that 23rd the final hearing shall conclude on 23rd.
Filed an application saying that the petition filed by the president is not maintainable because there are other MLAs in the assembly and they could have filed. There is a judgment of the Supreme Court which says a president can file, but that case was where there were no MLAs to take up the proceedings. So we are trying to distinguish that judgment of the Supreme Court. We are saying that this is not maintainable because already there are MLAs of Indian National Congress who could have filed. As the rules say that a member has to file. So no exception is to be made in this case is what we are trying to argue before the Speaker. We have argued now and it will be continued on the next day.